this run bar chart, I think it's familiar to all. So the same for this, all we just need to decide the name, basically the axis, like I've choose the state as my name, the value I've taken as sales, and the period. So the period here also I have taken the hierarchical date. If you want, you can take the exact date, and this period will run on that exact date. The other feature that we can control here is how many state you want to show. Like here currently is top 10, so you can just change to top 5 or top 6 or something like that. Then we have duration. So the current duration is 5,000 seconds. If you want to increase the speed, you can just reduce the duration. If you want to reduce the speed, you can just increase the duration. Then simple, if you want to change the font size and the font size, then we have this grid line. So it will just remove this grid line. If you want to hide the number, it will hide the number. And if you want to hide the period, it will hide the period, and you can just customize the size. So basically, we have the feature to customize this view. And then the last, we have this bullet chart. So basically, it's useful for the data, let's say mostly for the sales data, where you have set of target. Let's say if you have a
sorry, one quick question again. See in the previous one, the run chart. So when you turn off autoplay, do you get a button somewhere to play it?
No. So if I just turn off the autoplay, what we need to do is we just need to do some changes in this chart, and then it will run. So like let me show you once it's complete.
Okay.
So right now, if I'm clicking, it's not doing anything. If I reduce or even decrease this chart, it won't do. But when I come back on this page, then only it will do.
Okay. But so what do you mean autoplay is off then? Because it is doing an autoplay, right?
No, it's not doing so. It's not working as of now.
Autoplay means as in it is in loop mode, is it?
Yeah. So now if I just click here, it will start running.
Okay. Got you. So it runs only the first time. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Perfect. Super. Yeah.
So even when the autoplay is on, once it's complete, it won't run until and unless you do some changes to visualization. So like right now, you just move this size, so start running again.
Okay. So these, so just I think I probably missed some things. So these are all template that you have imported, or?
Yeah, all of these are templates. The way of importing them is when you go to app source, you will get what kind of chart you want. If you want a time-based chart, you can get it here. This is coming from here, time-based chart, animated bar
Got
chart.
It. Perfect.
Then we have Gantt chart, similar chart. So it depends on your requirement. You can just import that chart if it's present in this app source.
Super. Yeah. Perfect.